Here comes Lily.
Woo woo!
Now push it down, and as soon as you go backwards, turn the wheel the other way. So you back up that way.
Yeah, right.
That way. She's got it. She's gonna do it. Yeah. Now reverse. Yeah. Keep it
all the way.
Good girl.
You got it, Lil.
Perfect. Hey! Nice job, Lil.
She knows how to back that thing up.
Turn your wheel a little
Can you grab
bit.
the
Straighten your
potatoes
wheels
and put
out.
them in the oven?
There you go.
I can take it back up there.
Alright, now gas it.
I got more. Hey, chop in a second.
I almost got run over trying to collect breakfast potatoes.
Camo got run over by the Jeep. Picking up potatoes on Christmas Eve.